and give me a kiss and apologize me by playing driving.
You apologize me.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday and my husband just keeps smiling. Look at him. He can't stop smiling, guys.
I know that's why you didn't put it inside.
No, the cart area is there.
It's not the cart area.
There's a lot of cart in there before, so that's a cart area. Anyway guys, good morning. And
You should have to send an employee to take the
oh,
carts. Actually, you should have to send an employee to take the carts out of there and put them inside because look how stupid is that.
So
right there.
we're in Pitco. We're fine. We're done. This woman over here.
Yeah.
And then we're going to Treasure Joe's, which is across the street. And it's hard to turn in here. Actually, in this turn.
It's easier to turn right.
Yeah, left is.
Left turn is a pain in the neck. We'll wait till she gets on you to fucking signal.
Yeah.
Could have been out of here already. Bitch.
So yeah, it's been a long time that we haven't been here in Trader Joe's, and we love all that thing. But the thing about here is crazy money in a small bag.
Not
frozen.
crazy money.
Now they're so expensive for that little frozen anything, whatever. It's crazy. So yeah, guys, we're here, and you don't say good morning, and can you just say good morning sometimes?
Good morning sometimes. Good morning sometimes. On.
Look at that, he's smoking.
Yep.
Is that from? Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
People like that. Mahi that was seasoned already. I mean, you still get it, but not, it's still not seasoned anymore.
What is that? What's that? The pasta? Cheese pasta?
Rice balls.
A rice ball?
Night is cold, but your heart's colder. I will wait for you. The glitch in your eyes pulled me under, but I will wait for you. There's nothing left for me to do than run and act myself a fool. No point in trusting anyone.
I'm hungry.
Don't sound like monkey noise.
So what is the monkey noise then? Look at his face, guys.
Well, you're not making noise like a monkey. You're right.
Hi, Rox. We're leaving you here. Are we leaving you here? We're leaving you here? Misty. What? Did we get this from Rack of Lamb? Han, I get you Rack of Lamb, Han.
You didn't get me rack lamb, I got the rack lamb, you just took it. Did I pick those out and put them in there?
I did.
Excuse me?
Okay, you did, whatever. So
Tired.
my husband's give me a headache.
Tired.
Yeah, I'm tired too. I miss the dog. Seeing all this dog toy over here, guys, it's like I miss them. I miss them. And look at my husband. First thing he does, he is sleeping, driving, and then the first thing I thought he's going to take a nap, but the first thing he does is playing with his stuff. That's what he does. He's playing with his stuff, his toy. With his toy, there's toy. And when we get home, I'm curious why there's a lot of like splattered in the floor here.
First thing she did was blame the dogs. But it turned out to be her.
No, I blame you because you gave the dog before we go last week, before we went the other house, you gave the dog a lot of what? Bihon. And in the floor, so I see splattered here, but it's not really, guys. It's because of this. The wine here, this is belong over here like this. And explode, this is out. So explode. So everything here is wet. This counter here, and it's on the floor. Thank goodness it doesn't drip. It's just all in here, but it's just like splatter, like it's right there. That's it. Because he is like, he's the one who opened it the first place, not me.
You the one who drinking over here. You the one who closed it.
No, I drink my margarita, Tommy. I drink my margarita.
What's that?
I don't drink. I never touch that wine.
Lie. I was told you when you drink wine.
No, margarita, Tommy.
Lie.
Wow, whatever. Lies her ass. Ah. So, I miss the dog because when the dog are here, you know, like when the dog are here, my husband said he missed the dog also and my mother-in-law because every time they get in the house, they always see a dog jumping all over the place. But this time, last time, they don't see the dog because the dog are here. So now, I still see spotted everywhere. We don't have a map. I used the thing. And the book is wet. This is the book that my mother never... Okay. So this book, my mother-in-law ordered this stuff. She have a lot of books. And this one has never been opened in the box. And so I bring it here because I want this book to be here displayed and for cooking instruction because there's a lot of nice cooking here. Our cooking instruction, recipes. And this is good for display book. But I won't display all her book because or else the whole house is a book. So the flower, guys.
Whole house book. I brought in some wires for this very good one.
What wires? Hon?
Carry in some black wire.
It's in there.
Where?
In your car. It's the problem. So I'm gonna pick a lot of this and send Beth. I don't know if this I saw in Trader Joe's, guys. Yeah, I'm going to pick up pears. But when we went to Trader Joe's, I touched the pears. They're selling it. It's not really ripe, like it's like soft. But I think I can pick that up and send it to my friend. So I think he's planning to put it in your nose, and because your nose is good enough with that. Can you give me a hug and say apologize?
I'm sorry. Who should we apologizing? Stick it in your nose?
Give me a hand and give me a kiss and apologize me by playing driving.
You apologize me. I'm done with the apologizing.
Okay, look at me. I'm sorry. I yell at you, give you headache, but it's your fault. That's why I yelled.
Look how apology that. I'm sorry I did it. It's your fault. That's not apology.
Doesn't work. Now we're going to sell this for $2. $2. I don't know if I filmed the other because my other camera, I tried to film this, but my other camera died. So I got churros from Trader Joe's. It go with the cinnamon sugar with mixed cinnamon in it. I'm not gonna finish that because I don't finish the bag. If you don't see the bag, this is what I get. I'll show it to you now. I'll show it to you. This is the bag of churros from Trader Joe's. I want to have this because I saw Kim Kardashian eat it. That's the reason why I got it. Well, a lot of people like it, so I got it. So I bake it with for like 425 minutes. 425 degrees and for 7 minutes. And let's see. Wow, that's very loud. My husband's projector doesn't work because the projector has been in the attic for 100 years. Another 100 years. Can you imagine how old is my husband? Another 100 years. Now it's done. I'm going to put this cinnamon sugar. Oh my goodness. Let's this cheese churros. It is good. Han, churros is good. Cinnamon, Han. So we need to get another gas. Maybe the gas is expired. Expired gas. So I don't know what gas is getting, guys. This is what it's getting. Pressure washer, pump protector, and what is the other one? Han? Finally done in the store, guys. It gives me headache. Hobby, it takes forever.
Well, you see us in the front of that line?
Why?
There's nobody had anything on. I figured out this line should be good. You know, nobody had anything on. Like the other line, people had tons of crap.
And
the husband and wife in the front of the line, I don't know what they had a problem with their credit card, with their check, with something. The woman looked like she was gonna cry. They were like, it took them like an hour.
yeah, so I'm just making the pasta, boiling something. I'll put the pasta, and there's the steak over there. I will cook that. This is the pasta, guys. The flour, steak, pancit canton. And I'm going to make that. I added salt. I added salt in there. And oil. And I will stir fry with this. After cooking the pasta, I will stir fry this. I got this from Trader Joe's. Stir fry vegetables. So I will stir fry this. I add just few of that stuff over there. And after that, I'm just going to add the pancit canton in there. This is what my husband used to smoke, guys. More this long red thing, and it's brown inside. When I first met him, this is what he's using, and this is really expensive for just this alone. I think it's $9. I think it's 10 or $9, this one, and he can't afford it anymore. Good night, guys. What time is it, hon? 9:30, so I will see you next time.